What do you do it for? What are you running for? What are you running to?
Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Candy, so also go by Confidant Candy. If you are new here, thank you for choosing me to watch. If you have subscribed, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 healthy habits that you need to have in 2021. If you'd like to know more, keep watching. Last year was crazy to say the least. A lot went on, and I believe that New Year is a fresh start. It's time to have a clean slate. Regardless of what's going on around us, we can only focus on what we can control. And I believe having a healthy lifestyle will make you feel good physically and mentally. Habit 1, you need to drink a lot of water. Water helps with weight loss, it is good for your skin, it is good for your hair, it is good for your joints. Like, there are so many benefits of drinking water. Since the 1st of January, I have been drinking 4 liters of water a day, so you know how that goes. And already I've seen a difference. My abs have become more visible, which I find odd because I've been eating more, but yet my abs are visible because I'm detoxing. And the water is just helping to flush out all the toxins from my body. Toxins from my body. Habit number 2, plan your meals. If you're working and you have a busy schedule, I would suggest planning your meals beforehand so you spend less time in the kitchen. When I was working a 9 to 5, I made sure that I cooked a majority of my meals on Sunday. For example, on Sunday, I made my dinners for Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, and then if I have enough energy on Tuesday, then I'll cook for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. That way I can just go home, take my pre-made food out of the either freezer or the fridge and then just pop it in a oven, or you can pop it in a microwave. That way you're spending less time cooking and more time just chilling and unwinding after a long, probably stressful day at work. Tip 3, get active. Being physically active has a lot of benefits mentally and physically. Studies have shown that being physically active reduces anxiety and depression symptoms. In addition, being active can enhance your productivity. I try to work out first thing in the morning after I've done my morning routine. It makes me feel good, it makes me feel alert, and it makes me feel ready to take on the day. Tip number 4, budget. This is one of my goals that I'm really trying to tackle this year. If you have financial goals, I'll definitely suggest budgeting. Make sure you set aside money for expenses, savings, and spending. When I start working again, I will save the majority of my money. Don't play with me. I am going to save as much as I possibly can. I am also learning about investments, so that is something that is going to, cost me a little bit, but it's going to be good for me and beneficial in the long term. Tip number 5, have a self-care routine. With all that is going on, life can really take a toll on us, and it is essential that we have something to look forward to and something that we can do to unwind and really pour into ourselves. Both men and women can have a self-care routine. Self-care routines don't always have to focus on face masks and bubble baths. You can light a candle, you can meditate, you can do yoga, you can work out, you can eat a healthy meal, you could speak to your friends, you could paint, you could do some feng shui, you could read, you can write poetry. Like, there's so many things that you can do to make yourself better and to uplift your mood. Find things that you enjoy doing and do more of those things on a regular basis. If you need an example of a self-care routine, check out mine right here, and I'll just show you guys what I do on Sunday. It's a process, but it sets me up for the week and it feels good to just unwind and take care of yourself. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that this year is good for all of us. Last year was extremely stressful, but we need to continue to work on ourselves and work on uplifting ourselves. And if the mood, we're not always going to feel good, but if a mood does come over us, we need to sit in that mood, understand what triggered it, how we can improve, how can we can make ourselves feel better, and try not to be so hard on yourself because we can't predict everything that is going to happen. So let's try and focus on the things that we can control and go from there. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon.